In this video, sponsored by Hagerty Classic Car Insurance, will Tuck make it to the MOT station? Will she pass an MOT? How will she feel about her first stop at a petrol station in 14 years? It's going to be a very interesting day. Right, we are all set to go, so I'm going to get the camera strapped in and take you with me. Here we go. Right. Please don't crash into me. Oh, this is quite scary. Having the switches the same side as the throttle is not helpful. Hold on, we've just jumped out of gear. This feels alright, to be honest. National speed limit, here we go. Oh, she's not pulling well. Come on, old girl. Come on, clear that out. Miles an hour. Can we get 50? Miles an hour. God, that's scary. I think she needs a little breather after that. Alright, I'm in gear, handbrake's off, signal on. 30 miles an hour. We are going uphill. Oh, this requires serious coordination. No engine braking. Come on, Tuck, just make it to that driveway at least. Oh. That's not a happy engine, is it? We shall take pause. Because that ain't right. I don't know what's wrong with the old girl. We'll have to...
Have you stirred up some crap into the fuel line?
That's entirely possible. But yeah.
On the carb job?
Possibly, but I would rather try and limp it to the garage if I can. Let's give her a moment to clear herself.
Do you think it might settle?
It might do.
Okay.
Oh, another... I think we've done 2 miles, so we're getting there, but it's still a long way to the MOT station yet. Jumped out of gear again. Petrol! Oh, well that was rather more exciting than I'd hoped, but let's see if a bit of super unleaded will get her feeling healthy again. Right, I suspect we've still got some muck in the carb, but let's go and see what happens. Buckingham sure is feeling like a long way away at the moment. This is the most bizarre driving experience. The steering, which feels beautifully direct on my driveway, is downright terrifying with speed. Come on, Tuck! Come on! I would say we're not getting all of the 20 brake horsepowers. Oh, what larks. I wouldn't swap a driving a Bugatti Veyron for this. Chase the Nippa! Maybe not too much, because the Nippa's brakes are quite a lot better than mine. Look at the scenery though. This is the area known as Nantamach. River of Pigs. I don't know why. Little Tuck seems to be running better now she's got a tank full of fuel. Oh no, mud in the road, not good for a three-wheeler. Splashity splash. Oh, I can hear the belt slipping. breechy belts. Come on, little tuck. Obviously spoke too soon. I'm accelerating on the accelerator pump only. She's... oh. There she goes. We're a bit late for the MOT now, so I'm getting a hurtle on as much as I dare. Never has 50 miles an hour felt so scary. Hey! Time for the brake test. So, moment of truth.
Here we are. It's actually fast.
Hurrah! And look at that, no advisory. Well done, Tuck. Brilliant. Now we can really go for a drive. It's a landmark moment. We've just sorted the tax out. That's going to change the tax class. It's also going to change the engine size, which is still down as 10 litres, ridiculously. I still have my little Nippa support car, and now we've got to make it about 12 miles back home. So here we go. Right, jumped out of gear, so forced to do a hill start. Wheel spinny. Well, I can't tell if it's wheel spin or belt slip. It's one of the two. Cornering still leaves a bit to be desired. Oh, chase car has caught back up. Steering and braking at the same time is definitely an acquired art. That far in away. Right, we're on the last stretch, almost home. We've covered over 20 miles now, and my hands are really sore. My arms are aching as well, because you can't rest them on the handlebars. You have to hold the handlebars up, otherwise you're applying the brakes. Oh, come on. Gonna have to have this carburetor apart. Also, this seatbelt is rubbish. There we go. We are home after, how many miles is that? How many did we have? It was 3, must be getting on for 30 miles because we had to go off to the post office. But yeah, there we go. She's legal. I've driven her. There are issues, but I knew there were going to be issues. It's all about sorting out those issues now. I wanted a few months to get ready for Festival of the Unexceptional. And by heck is that drive feeling a bit daunting. It's a hell of a long way. But I mean, that last time I hit 55 miles an hour, it felt much less scary. I'm starting to get used to the controls, how little input you need. So yeah, starting to feel good. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and just before you go, Hubnut stickers are now available. If you visit hubnut.org, if you look along the top, there's a merchandise option. You can get stickers. I will leave a link in the description below, and the sale of those stickers helps fund videos like this. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. There will be many more adventures of Little Took and Ellie and all the others to come. Farewell.